Hello and welcome for our week 4 lesson for empowerment technology. So I am Sir Eric once again, and for our week 4 lesson we'll be discussing about the applied productivity tools with advanced application techniques. The most essential learning competency for this week 4 lesson are: first is uses common productivity tools effectively by maximizing advanced application techniques. Last, creates an original or derivative ICT content to effectively communicate or present data, information related to specific professional tracks. Objectives for this lesson are: we have first identify the parts of word processing and its functions, insert and format pictures, clip art, shape, smart art, charts, and screen clippings. Discuss the concept of mail merge. Create and link a main document and a data source. Productivity tools will be discussing about the Microsoft Word. What is word processing? So word processing is the use of computer to write or create letters, reports, and documents. So from the traditional way of typing in the documents using the typewriter, now we will going to use the computer to create or write the letters, reports, and documents. So it has a program in order for us to use for making our documents. So it enables you also to save time and to improve the appearance of your documents. So some example of word processing software that we used before and today. So we have the Abby Word, the Apple iWord, Pages, Apple Text Edit for Apple Mac OS, included the word processor, Corel Word Perfect. Google Docs is also a word processing software, but it's an online and free. LibreOffice Writer, it's also free. We have also Microsoft Office Word, and we have the Word Perfect. So there's a lot of software for or programs for word processing or word processor. Microsoft Word is one of the most popular and powerful word processing software today. And Microsoft Word is what you see is what you get. Word processor, meaning to say it's whatever you type in on your documents, okay, that will be the output once you print it or have the hard copy. So for Microsoft Word, you can easily create simple and complex documents like memos or reports. What are the common capabilities of word processor? Capabilities of the Microsoft Word: it has a spell checking. So meaning to say it will automatically notify you if you misspelled some of the words in your paragraphs or in your sentences. Okay, it will provide you the correct spelling of the word. We have the standard layout for normal document. Next is capable of bold, print, italicized, or underlined characters. So we can format our documents according to our preferences, right? According to kung anong gusto nating format. And we can save our documents and we can still use it right in the future. So that's a good thing, alright, so that we can mababalikan pa natin yung documents na ginawa natin kahit matagal na. So we can still open it and edit the document. Different kinds of text line alignment, so we can choose whether if we want it to make it in a line left, center, or right align. And we can also have the hard copy by printing our document. And what are the features of the Microsoft Word? So for Microsoft Word, you can create professional looking documents quickly and efficiently because of the available formats. Okay, for making the documents, we can easily create professional looking documents because of this. You can easily create letters, reports, manuals, newsletters, and brochures. So it's not just a letter or a document, but we can also create newsletters and brochures for our business. Okay. So if we want to create a brochure of our item, so we can use the Microsoft Word. And if we are fond of making or creating a news for our blog, we can also use Microsoft Word for this. You can easily do the layouting because of lot available graphics. So because of available clip arts or graphics that we can use for making our documents with graphics, so it's very easy to do this. And it has also like a template for adding graphics or available graphics in Microsoft Word. And also we can easily create tables, personalized envelopes, and mailing labels. So why is it it's very important for us to be familiarized with the Microsoft Office Word window or the working environment, so that it would be easier for us to navigate, okay, the Microsoft Word. So we know where to go, where to find the tools that we need, okay, when we are working with our documents. So let us learn the different Microsoft Word elements or parts of the Microsoft Word working environment. Alright, so we have this MS Word version 2016 or 2019. So for this, we have the quick access toolbar and the file tab, and also we have the title bar and the ribbon, this one, and we have also the ruler there, and the status bar here, and we have the view buttons, this one, and we have the zoom controls. Right. Still, we have the file tab, quick access toolbar tabs, this one, and the ribbon, this whole, eto, okay. And we have the group of commands, an example of group of commands, this one and this one and this one, and this is commands. So example of commands, ito Alright, so Microsoft Office Word element. So let us know the meaning of each element in Microsoft Word. We have the ribbon, so it is the area at the top of the screen below the title bar where almost all the frequently used commands are placed. Replaces the menus and toolbars found in earlier versions of Word. So the ribbon groups buttons for common tasks together in tabs on a graphical interface. So this is our ribbon where we can find all of our frequently used commands or common commands that we used in making our document. So for the ribbon, it has group buttons for common task commands, and Microsoft Office button. This is available in the older version of Microsoft Word, but now it was replaced by File tab. Okay, so if you can still see this, if you are using the older version, this one, so we called it Microsoft Office button, where it is a place on the upper left hand corner of the screen. This button replaces the file button in the previous version, so it holds all the commonly used commands such as new, open, save, print, and recent documents. So ito siya. Quick access toolbar. So it provides you with access to commands you frequently use. So kung ano yung mga frequently used yung commands, diyan po siya natin makikita. This is on the upper left, okay, of our Microsoft Word window. Group are logical collections of features designed to perform functions that you will utilize in developing or editing your Word document. So common buttons with a common purpose are clustered together. So meaning to say, kada commands, okay, nakagrupo na po siya. Like for example, for formatting formatting or font, or this one, the clipboard. So ito siya, nakagrupo na rin. And we have also for font. So ito po yung group of commands. And then for the paragraph, also here, styles, and then for editings. Tab. So the ribbon is broken down into 7 tabs by default. So each tab has a common purpose and consists of several groups. To select a tab, simply click on it and the appropriate groups will be displayed. So ito po yung tab na sinasabi natin. Ayan. So once pinag-click natin ito, so it will display the command groups. Okay, either for insert, so madami pa siyang makikita natin ng mga commands na naka-group din. Okay? So each of the tabs contain the following tools. So we have the home, we have clipboard, fonts, paragraph, styles, and editing group. And for the insert, we can find it here: pages, tables, illustrations, links, header and footer, text, and symbols. And for the page layout tab, themes, page setup, page background, paragraph, arrange. And for the references tab, table of contents, footnotes, citation, and bibliography, captions, index, and table of authorities. Then for the mailings tab, create, start mail merge, write and insert fields, preview results, finish. And for the review tab, we can find here the proofing, comments, tracking, changes, compare, protect. And for the view, we can find here the different view commands. Okay, we have the document views, show or hide, zoom, window, and the macros. So you can just check on your Microsoft Word, alright, the different tabs and the following tools that we can find for each tab. So we have the title, so it displays the title of your document on which you are currently working. So it depends on you kung ano yung name or file name ng iyong documents. Okay? And for the extension file format for Microsoft Word, we have the .docx. Okay, that's the file extension format for the documents. So you can use the ruler to change the format of your document quickly. So if you want to change the index of your document, so you can just have to select this or move this ruler. Insertion point. So the blinking vertical line in the document screen indicates where text will appear when you begin typing, or it shows us or it displays where we are working, right, on our documents, or where I'm going to start typing in our documents. Document screen. So this is the area or the white area of the screen where you type in your documents, or the letters, or the paragraphs, or where you insert the graphics. Okay, so in other references they called it Canva. So yung white na to yung kung saan tayo nag-work, ganyan. Okay. We have the status bar. So this row can be customized by right-clicking and selecting desired options. Desired options may include the page number or number of total page, word count, insert, overtype, mode, caps lock, and zoom and slide. So with the status bar, it displays the number or the number of your pages or the number of your words. So it depends kung ano yung gusto nyong makita sa status bar nyo. So all you need to just to right click, okay, here, just right click, then select kung ano yung gusto nyong makita sa status bar here. We have the zoom slide, so it allows you to increase or decrease the amount of the document you see on this. So if you want it to make it smaller or larger size, okay. And we have the scroll bar, so allows you to view entire workbook by moving it up, down, vertical scroll down, left or right on the horizontal scroll bar. The view controls or the buttons options, so show your document from various views, perspectives to use when displaying a document. Let's understand the different types of document views in Microsoft Word. Draft view, so it is the most frequently used view. You use draft view to quickly edit your document. And web layout view enables you to see your document as it would appear in a browser such as the Google Chrome. So for the web layout view, para siyang nasa Google Chrome or any browser setup, kumbaga. Okay, so ganyan siya i-view ng for web layout view. Print layout view, so this is the default view, so it allows you to see how text, graphics, and other elements will be positioned on the printed page. Next, we have the full screen reading, so formats your screen to make reading your document more comfortable. The outline view displays the document in outline form. You can display headings without the text. If you move a heading, the accompanying text moves with it. So, kumbaga, ipapakita lang dito, naka-outline yung ating mga words or text. Okay? So, hindi natin siya basta-basta ma-edit if naka-outline view lang yung ating Word document. And these are common shortcut keys that we can use in Microsoft Word. So please do familiarize yourselves, okay, with this commonly used shortcut keys, because it will be part of your quizzes or exams. And references and sources of images or image. Alright, so that's it. Thank you very much. I'll see you next week for our next lesson.